meet here again. Oh, now here's to the wee lass that I love so well. For style and for beauty there's none can excel. She smiles on me proudly as she sits on my knee, and there's none in this wide world as happy as me. So here's a health to the company, likewise to my lass. Let's drink and be merry, all out of one glass. Let's drink and be merry, all grief to refrain. For we may or might never all meet here again. Now my ship lies in harbour, she's ready to sail. God grant her safe voyage without any gale. And if we should meet again, be it land or on sea, I will always remember your kind honesty. So here's a health to the company, likewise to my